it helped me out a lot. It just, with everything going on. I'm Donna. I live in Mount Joy Township. It means a lot because my husband just passed away 2 years ago, and everything's just falling back on me, and everything's falling apart. So I'm just trying to get everything together, and it just made me happy that I was one. The door frame was rotted, cracked, and it needed painted, and the storm door broke, and it just, everything was wrong. And I couldn't see out. It was not the best. They called me and told me I wanted to schedule an appointment. So Brandon called and scheduled it. He was very great. Oh, if he can get a raise, he gets a raise. Helpful with me, because I'm not very good with picking colors, and he helped me go through that, and that's what we picked up. And he helped me with the two-tone, the black and the tan. Andrew was very nice there. He needs a raise too. He introduced himself and told me, got me up to date what he was going to do, and then he wham bam and got it done. It helped me out a lot. It just, with everything going on, I will recommend Joyland. And I have a couple more project doors I want to get done, and Joyland will be my best.